Welcome to our channel. Today we will guide you through managing your experience on the Bluesky app by muting specific words and tags. This feature allows you to control the content you see and avoid topics or hashtags that you find irrelevant. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Moderation section. Tap on Moderation to see additional options related to account management and content controls. In the Moderation menu, you will see an option called Muted Words and Tags. Click on that to proceed. Next, enter the word or tag that you want to mute in the designated field. You will then need to choose the duration for how long you want it muted. Options include forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. After that, select whether you want to mute both text and tags or tags only. You can also choose to exclude users you follow by checking the box next to that option. Finally, click on the Add button to save your muted word or tag. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.